Hello everyone, welcome to our mathematics class. My name is Teacher Abby and today's lesson is all about money. Okay, we're going to talk about time money. We are going to learn the types and values of money and how to read and write money in words and in symbols. We have here two types of money. We have bank notes. Again, say it with me. Bank notes. It is also called as bills, notes. Okay, so banknote is a piece of paper money. So paper money. Second type of money is coin. Let's read this. Coins. Coins. Coins are money with a smaller value. Smaller values. Okay, so this is flat and round, as you can see. Flat and round. Okay. So for time money, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 kinds of banknotes. We have, let's read, 20 baht note. So 20 back and front. 50 baht note. Okay, 50. You can see here 50 front and back. So this is the front of the notes and the back. Okay. Let's read it together. 100 baht note. Loi baht. Roy baht. Roy baht. 500 baht note. Haroi baht. 1000 baht note. 1000 baht. Okay, so again 1000 baht has the greatest value. Okay. Next one, coins. We have here 10 baht, 10 baht. So you can see the value at the back of coins. Next one, say 5 baht, 2 baht, 1 baht, and here is 50 satang. Next one is 25 satang. So satang in English, centavo, but we're talking about Thai money, so we call it satang. And 25 satang has the smallest value. Value or worth. Okay? Okay, let's learn more about Thai money. So when you are writing money, do not just write the number. It's very important to write the symbol. So this is a symbol of baht. Okay, so there's letter B and a vertical line. Okay, so this can be read as 20 baht, 20 baht. And when you're writing it in words, it's 20 baht. Okay, so this money or this is how you write it in words, and this one in symbols. Okay, so as you can see here in front of the money, you can also see the value. You can see here 20. Okay, and then at the back of it, you can also see the same number. This is also the value. So 20 baht, 20 baht. Okay, same thing with 50 baht. So again, when you're writing, symbol and then the number. Symbol and then the number. So 50 baht. Let's read it together. Okay, so say 100 baht. 100 baht. 100 baht. 500 baht. 500 baht. So there's 500. At the back, it's 500. And then say 1,000 baht. 1,000 baht. 1,000 baht. So again, 1,000 here. And then at the back, it's 1,000. Understand? Okay. Okay, so we have coins here. So for coins, you will not see the value of the money in front of it. So my number, right? But you will be able to see it at the back of it. So 10 baht, 5 baht, 2 baht, 1 baht, and then you'll see here 50 and 25. Okay, so these are called coins. All right, so let's read them. 10 baht, so sign and 10, or you can write sign and the 10 and then decimal point and then 0 0 because no satang here. Next, 5, don't say 5, say it with me, say 5 baht, 5 baht, so sign and then number, and then 0 0. 2 baht, so sign and then the value, 1 baht, and then sign and the value. All right, now we have here satang. Satang is called centavo in English. It has the smallest value. All right, so we have 50 satang and 25 satang. As you can see here, if you notice, if in baht, you'll see sign, the value or the number, and then the period. Period in mathematics is called decimal point. Decimal point. Okay? And then the 0 0 because there's no satang here. So it means that if you're writing satang, you need to write the sign first and then 0 because no value in baht, and then decimal point and then the number. Again, in baht, value or the number first and then the decimal point, right? However, in satang, you need to write the decimal point first and then the value of the satang. 50 satang, so 50 satang. Again, 25 satang, decimal point, and then the value. All right? All right, so before we continue to learn how to read and write money, let's try to count. Okay, the money that we have here, I just first one is an example, and then the second one you'll need to do it. Okay, so we have here figure, okay, or the number. So you need to see how or count how many banknotes and coins can you see. All right, so as you can see here in this column, number of banknotes and coins. All right, so let's start from the smallest value. Okay, so we have satang here, so 50 satang. So you need to write decimal point and then 50. And how many? 1. Okay, next one. We have here 1 baht. So sign and then 1. How many 1 baht? 1. We have here 20 baht times 1. How many 50? 50 baht times 1. Next, we have 100. How many 100 here? Okay, yeah, 1 only. So 100 baht times 1. And we have here 500 baht. Okay, so 500 baht times 1. So now you're going to compute it. So 50 cents or 50 stang times 1 is 50 stang. Okay, 1 baht times 1 is 1 baht. So so you can see here, there is only one number of banknote and coin. I mean, for each banknote and coin for the first question. So all you need to do is to multiply it by 1. So follow. And then after that, you'll need to add it. As you can see here, so the column satang only satang is satang, and then the column of ones, tens, and hundreds. Okay, so that's how you add it. Okay, so after adding it, you need to put the total value of this money in this column. That's why it's called value. Value is also called worth. Once again, say worth. Okay, so let me write it. Worth. Okay, W-R-T-H. Okay, say again, worth. Okay, or value. Say value. Okay, great. So the total value is 671 and 50 satang. Okay, or you say 671 baht and 50 satang. Okay, Now, if there is a value of baht and satang here, you need to read the decimal point as and. Okay, so let's read it. This is how you write the money in symbol. Okay, there's a symbol here, the baht, and the decimal point, and also the number. Okay, and this one is writing money in words. Okay, let's read it. 671 baht and 50 satang. Okay, all right, so there's a dash here. So 70 dash or hyphen 171. Okay, now please get your notebook and pen or pencil and try to, pause the video and answer number 2. Do the same as number 1. Okay? Okay, welcome back. So here is the answer for number 2. Were you able to get it? Do we have the same answer? Great job. Okay, so let's read it. 160 baht and 75 satang. Again, 160 baht and 75 satang. Right. All right, so more practice in reading and writing money. So get your notebook and pen or pencil and try to answer these 2 questions. So all you need to do is to read this money in words, and then you're going to write how much or the value, taray baht. Okay, so pause the video and then write your answer. Only write your answer in your notebook. Okay? Right, so welcome back. Let's check if your answers are correct. Let's read each sentence together. Okay? Read it with me. Say, 2 100 baht notes and 3 20 baht notes are worth blank baht. So we have here 2 100 baht notes, 1, 2, 100 baht notes, 3 20 baht notes, so 1, 2, 3, 20 baht notes is equal to, perfect, that's correct, it's 260 baht. Okay, by the way, since I wrote baht here, you don't need to write the symbol anymore. You don't need to write the sign B and the vertical. Okay, you don't need to write that anymore because I wrote baht here. Kina, great. Next, let's read the second one. A 1,000 baht note. A 1,000 baht note. Let's read it together. 3 50 baht notes. 3 50 baht notes. 3 10 baht coins. 1, 2, 3 10 baht coins. And 2 50 satang coins. 2 50 satang are worth. Great job! Perfect! That's 1,181 baht and 0 satang. Of course, actually you don't need to write 0 satang anymore. You just simply say 1,181 baht. Did you get it right? Perfect! Right, so these are the parts of the amount. Amount means the value or the money. Okay, so we have here the sign. So if you see this sign, it means it refers to Thai money. It's called baht. Okay, you read it as baht. Next one is the value of baht. How much? Okay, here 157 baht. After this, you'll see the period in English, but we call it decimal point in mathematics, and we read it as and. All right, so after decimal point, we have stang, or in English, it's called centavo. But in Thai money, we call it satang. Satang. If you notice here, decimal point is between the baht and satang. Okay, so don't forget the value of baht and then decimal point. And then decimal point and then satang. By the way, in satang or centavo, we only have 2 digits. Alright, so never 3, never 4, never 5. Okay, so let's just stick with the 2 digits. 1, 2. Okay, so we are still learning how to read and write money, and this time we're going to convert. Convert means you change the form. So from words to numeral, or numeral to words. And for money, we have here numeral plus words into decimal, or the symbol. And then from money written with the decimal point, we write it into, or priyan it into, words. Okay, let's analyze or understand number 1 example. So amount of money, it means how much, the value or the worth. Let's read. 5 baht, 25 satang. So 5 baht and 25 satang will be written with a decimal point like this one. So 5 baht is the sign B, the baht, and 5. So 5 baht, it's 5 baht. 25 satang. So 25 satang is decimal point and 25. See? So they are the same, but may tawgap form, because this one we have sign and then the decimal point. But this one, no sign, only numeral and words. Lek and words. Okay, naka? Okay, and then you change it, convert it into words. So convert it into words. Priyan into words. Okay? So 5 baht, 25 satang. 25 satang. Remember, decimal point can be read as and, so you need to write and here. A and D. But since we are focusing on how to spell or write the words correctly, then it's okay if you don't write and here. But as much as possible, let's practice writing and, because decimal point can be read as and. So this one is 5 baht and 25 satang. Now get your notebook and pencil, or pen, pause the video, and please answer numbers 2 and 3. Okay, try to answer it. All right, pause the video now. Okay, so welcome back. I hope you were able to answer numbers 2 and 3. Let's check your answer later. Okay, so let's do number 4 and 5 and 6. So this one, you convert money in decimal to satang. So from satang, you convert, or you priyan, write it into words, or in words. Okay, so in decimal, we have here 3 and 25 baht. So if you notice, there's no symbol here, B, because there is baht here already. So 3 and 25 baht, tawgap 325 satang. How did we do it? Remember, 1 baht is equal to 100 satang. Okay, so 100, or 1 baht, is equal to 100 satang. As you can see here, there is a decimal point after 1. So we have B, the baht sign, 1, and then the decimal point, then 00. So is equal to 100 satang, because what we did was we remove or move the decimal point 2 times to the right. Okay, going to the right. So 1, 2. Okay, so we remove the decimal point. Okay, so we remove decimal point into and put it into the right 2 times. 1, 2. Okay, so that's why it's called, or it is equal to 100 satang. Okay, so the period is already here and then satang. Okay, so that's how we did it here as well. So we move decimal point from here 2 times to the right. 1, 2. Okay, naka. That's why it's called. That's why it's now 325 satang. All right, and then you're going to write in here 325 satang. Now, please pause the video, get your notebook and pen again, and answer number 5 and number 6. Okay, pause the video now. Great, so welcome back. So these are the correct answers. Try to check if you get all correctly. Yeah, okay, let's read them. So just read the words, okay? So 5 baht, 25 satang, or 5 baht and 25 satang. Next one, 38 baht and 50 satang. 17 baht and 75 satang. Next one, 325 satang. 1,250 satang. 6,375 satang. Wow. Okay, so 1,000. So see, we move decimal point from here to right. 1, 2. That's like 325 satang. Now here, 1, 2, 1,250 satang. Then 1, 2, 6,375 satang. Did you get it right? Okay, great. So that's all for today. Next time we'll talk about comparing the value of money. So greater than, makwa, less than or smaller than, noikwa, and equal to, taogat. So see you next time. Bye bye.